Activate the mechanism, and within a mere 3 seconds, the SUNKOS heater reaches a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. The innovators behind it dedicated years to refining a unique heating film. In comparison to oil heaters, this infrared heater operates with less noise and doesn't deplete the air's moisture. Weighing a modest 3.2 kilograms, it's unsuitable for outdoor use as it could be easily toppled by a gust of wind. Control options encompass a touch panel, a mobile app, remote control, or even voice commands through Amazon Alexa. Secure the SUNKOS heater for $229. We are left pondering why the KONSIVY Pro team didn't collaborate with the creators of Smoke S. This smoke machine performs exceptionally well for any photo or video session, swiftly filling approximately 20 cubic meters with smoke within just 1 minute. A fully charged unit ensures a reliable 25 minutes of continuous operation, making it suitable for indoor shoots without the risk of triggering fire alarms. Furthermore, the kit includes a remote control for convenient device operation. NXTABL caters to those enamored with screens, materializing the $900 NXTABL. Accommodating up to 6 individuals comfortably, it features a cutting-edge 4K touchscreen, dual stereo speakers, 8 GB of RAM, and a spacious 128 GB built-in memory for an indulgent Legree audio and video playback experience. This multifunctional table further extends its allure by offering connectivity to game consoles through USB and HDMI connectors, ensuring a seamless and captivating entertainment hub that diminishes any inclination to venture beyond its captivating features. Whether it's a drone, a boat, or a Boston Dynamics robotic dog, the possibilities are endless with the ability to craft a variety of robots, ensuring perpetual excitement. This sophisticated system allows seamless synchronization with ChatGPT, and customization is facilitated through visual or Python programming. Whether you aspire to choreograph a techno ballet or engage in other creative endeavors, the robots effortlessly coordinate. The initial model is available at a starting price of $349. SARAMONIC BLINKME, a Chinese company with a name resembling Panasonic, excels in audio equipment production. Their BLINKME radio system, priced at $278 for a set of a receiver and 2 transmitters, is compatible with DSLR cameras, laptops, smartphones, and more. Notably, both transmitters and the receiver feature touch screens, with the transmitters lasting up to 8 hours on a single charge, while the receiver offers a full day of usage. Additionally, the receiver can recharge the transmitters and display volume, clock, music buttons, and more. The global increase in bicycle theft during the COVID-19 pandemic, exacerbated by reduced factory production causing a scarcity of both new and used bicycles, has prompted the development of a solution by BRIGHTLOC. This innovative product acts as a robust U-shaped lock in parking lots, providing security against theft. Additionally, during rides, it transforms into front and rear lights, remaining functional even in rainy conditions. Notably, some cyclists have already acquired it through Kickstarter for a price of $85. Is your neighbor once again drilling holes in the walls? Do you struggle to sleep on planes, trains, or in cars with your head constantly shifting after long computer sessions? Does your neck feel like it's on the verge of breaking? Enter NAPILLOW, a clever fusion of noise-cancelling earmuffs and a neck pillow. Slide it on, and suddenly the world becomes 35 decibels quieter, providing a peaceful environment. Not only that, but your neck enjoys a comforting upgrade. The NAPILLOW is available for a reasonable $49, and for an additional $25, you can even get a sleep mask thrown in. In the rapidly advancing tech world, emotional communication is gaining importance. AI HOLOBOX, designed by forward-thinking creators, addresses this need with a gadget for endless conversations. Operating on ChatGPT and AI algorithms, it effortlessly showcases holograms without the need for special glasses. The device, compact in size like a water bottle, allows you to carry it anywhere. Additionally, you can upload videos to relive favorite moments. This impressive tech is available at a reasonable price of $180. According to its creators, KONSIVY Pro surpasses being just a telescope. It enables the capturing of 4K videos, easily shareable through Wi-Fi or wired connection. Users can link their smartphones for editing purposes, and it functions as both a photo and video camera, featuring time-lapse and pano modes. With a 10x optical and digital zoom, it can magnify up to 2.3 times. All these features are available at a cost of $169. The AKASO SEEMOR night vision goggles combine intelligent technology with 99% color accuracy. They boast a 500 range for detecting people and a full kilometer for identifying buildings. These goggles can capture 4K video with infrared illumination and feature a 16x digital zoom. Available for $189, they provide cutting-edge night vision capabilities. Comment below to share your thoughts on the video and subscribe for future updates.